weather, but it's still cold here in Kyoto, Japan. We just took our first tour here. Tourist hospitals. It's a one by one. Pero wala siya seatbelt. Wala akong seatbelt. Ha? Wala na siya. Grabe travel on your own. Wala na seatbelt. Sa bus may seatbelt. Dito wala. Ay. Ay. Dapat eh. Ha? Okay.
Hawakan mo doon sa...
Okay, this is what you call the chairlift here at this Kyoto area. So ito yung dinayo natin, 2 hours ride, bus ride from the Namba area. So we take, and mas maganda kasi kapag nag-avail ka ng tour kasi they know what are the places that you can go around at a very minimum time you can see, diba? So this is parang relax ka lang and be steady in this chairlift. Ano lang siya, chairlift? So ayun, it's a chairlift, ibig sabihin you're just riding on the chair. Ano dito? Wala siyang seatbelt. Pero sa bus, naka-seatbelt ka. Pero with this, naka-seatbelt. That's an experience. Parang cable car. Siguro wala pa naman aksidente dito kasi they're not imposing a seatbelt, di ba? So, ayun, meron din siyang sa makasalubong natin. So, this is the adventure din. Meron din naman travel. Meron naman siyang kung ayaw mong mag-chairlift. Ano naman siya? This is parang triangle lang and it's much safer, no? View na much safer. Don't take off. Don't swing. So yun ang ibig sabihin. But then, the good thing about this is ayan, no? Maganda rin, no? The view of the forest. It's the cable car. Para kang pero if you notice, meron din siyang hagdan. So, you can go using the stone paths. Ang kagandahan lang dito is very, very cool. On a sunny day, this is a good thing because this is on a sunny day. So nice. Very windy. Kaya nga appropriate, you can really appreciate. So what's so special about this trip is that it makes you relax on a chair, thinking over and really passing by through nature. Yan, yung mga puno na yan. Diba? You can see this mga puno, but the good I think. So bakit pa siya tinawag na chairlift? Kasi nga, nakaupo ka sa upuan. It's a chair. And they leave you parang elevator lang. Pero okay naman. Siguro huwag ka lang maggalaw at hindi ka naman mahulog. Diba? Pero as a safety, ayun, may nahulog na gloves. Maraming mga gloves na hulog. So, it's better that you take another one here. This is what you call Amano Hashidai, a Ryukan viewpoint, the amusement park. So, the chairlift is just a way to transport you to a beautiful view. Okay, so what's important is the view. Oh, this is the view. Oh, dali mag-picture. Ayun, oh, the beautiful view. So the chairlift. Pero ang lamig na nga dito pagdating sa dagat. Malamig na lamig. Then you get freezing. At this also friends. So there's another area here that you can see. The mountain top. Tignan mo, may snow. There are really snows. There are really snow. Snow. Hello, so we are here on the top, mountain top view, so you can see the view here. Very beautiful. This is the view of the coast. Really the beautiful here at Kyoto area. It's part of the Kyoto. So we're now going back to the chairlift now, going back to where we started. This is a very good view. So what they're saying is the view here where so ito na yung sinasabi natin, the Tranvia that we have here. It's the Tranvia. It takes some time. For those who are not adventurous enough, yeah, sila right na sila ng view. The Tranvia. Pero for those adventurous like us, it's better to